Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make tea juice. First, you will brew your favorite tea, ensuring it is strong and flavorful. Next, we will discuss selecting the perfect fruit juice to complement your tea's profile. Then, we'll combine these elements with a touch of sweetness and chill it to perfection. Finally, I will share some tips for customizing your tea juice to suit your personal taste. This simple process yields a delightful and refreshing beverage. To begin, gather your essential ingredients for a perfect tea juice. You will need about 1 cup of freshly brewed, strong tea, cooled to room temperature. Next, select approximately 1/2 cup of your favorite fruit juice. Apple, peach, or cranberry work wonderfully. For sweetness, prepare 1 to 2 tablespoons of honey, agave, or a simple syrup. Finally, have some ice and optional garnishes ready for serving. Now, let's brew and mix our delicious tea juice. Start by brewing your tea. Use about 2 tea bags or 2 teaspoons of loose leaf tea for every 8 ounces of hot water. Steep it for 3 to 5 minutes for robust flavor, then let it cool. Once cooled, pour the tea into a pitcher and add about 1/2 cup of your chosen fruit juice. Stir in 1 to 2 tablespoons of your preferred sweetener until well combined. After mixing, it's time to chill and customize your tea juice. Place the pitcher in the refrigerator for at least 1 hour, allowing flavors to meld and the drink to become perfectly cold. When ready to serve, pour it over plenty of ice in a tall glass. For an extra touch, garnish with fresh fruit slices, mint, or a lemon wedge. Experiment with various tea and juice pairings to discover your signature blend.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.